Today we're going to go over my current favorite powders. First off, the Maybelline Loose Fit Me setting powder. I really like this powder. It's got like a thicker consistency, and so I don't find that this plays well with like concealers and foundations, but wearing it on its own gives your face like a little bit of coverage and keeps me pretty matte all day, which I'm super into, and this is very affordable, so I'm into that. Next, we're going to talk about the Maybelline Superstay Hybrid Powder Foundation. This is such an interesting formula. It's so creamy. I actually use this as concealer under my eyes, and I brighten the center of my face with this, and it hides kind of some of the darkness. So really into this. I have used this all over the face before. It's really good for that too, but it's just a little bit heavier coverage. So if you like that, then this would be a good one for sure. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Matte and Poreless Powder. This is a really nice powder. It doesn't keep you matte all throughout the day, but it does like mattify you and kind of refine the skin and looks really nice on the skin. So I do really enjoy this as like a finishing powder. Another loose powder is the Almay Loose Finishing Powder. I like to use this to set cream products, so I like to use this to set like foundation, things like that, because it's really light. It doesn't have much coverage to it. They do have a couple different shades, so it's not universal. You can kind of, match your skin tone a little bit better, but I do like this for setting cream products, and again, it's very affordable, so we like that. The Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten. This is a great powder foundation. I'm wearing it right now. It's not too heavy. It looks creamy on the skin. It's got like tiny little bit of reflection in it, which just makes the skin feel like look really healthy. It's definitely an easy formula to work with. It's not going to keep you matte, but it does keep your skin like this, like glowy. You can see like just glowy, healthy skin. The last product I'm going to talk about is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. This is pretty bright. Like it's like a whitish, I wouldn't call this banana. This is more like a white, but I do like this when I put on concealer to brighten up the under eyes, set and brighten up the under eyes. It's not too heavy. It doesn't make the under eye look like crunchy. I've just started using this, so it's not like my top favorite, but I've been enjoying it the last couple times I've used it. So I'll use it to set the under eyes and then kind of brighten the face, like if I'm doing a concealer all over the face to kind of give the face a little bit of dimension. And I think this is like $5 or something. So hello.